Hey guys, before the video I have an important message.
From the makers of one of the most successful dramas in recent history comes the follow-up series, The Slap, Part 2.
You know what? They'd already started repairs, so we couldn't even take it anywhere else.
Yeah, shit the way they do that.
Tell me about it. 2.5 grand later, and then... Hey, what's going on?
It's mine, Daddy. Noah keeps taking away from...
My name's Joe Biden. I'm a Democrat.
No.
My name's Joe Biden.
Give it back now. Noah?
Joe Biden.
Larry, what the hell are you doing?
Joe Biden. Joe Biden. Joe Biden. Joe Biden.
Are you all right? How
Joe Biden.
Barry!
Joe Biden. Joe Biden. Joe Biden. Joe Biden. Joe Biden. Joe Biden.
Righto, what's going on here?
Joe Biden. Joe Biden. Joe Biden. Joe Biden. Joe Biden. Joe Biden. Joe Biden.
The Slap, Part 2, coming soon to
Joe
Fox.
Biden.
Ow! What?